In this video, I'm going to explain about ion and types of ions. Here, the definition is given: an atom or molecule with a net electric charge due to loss or gain of one or more electrons. Simply, we can say it is a charge. Simple way we can say ion is a charge. Ion can be classified into two types. One is cation and second one is anion. Cation is a positive charge, anion is a negative charge. Let's see the formation of cation first. Formation of cation. We know generally metal atoms have 1, 2 or 3 electrons in their valence shell. Loss those electrons to obtain 8 electrons in the outermost or valence shell. To get the stability or to obtain 8 electrons in their valence shell, metal atoms generally loses their electrons, well, and by losing their electrons, metal atoms always forms cation. This is you have to remember, metal atoms always ready to lose those electrons and form cation. Let us see the examples. Consider metal atoms like sodium, magnesium and aluminium. The atomic number of sodium is 11, atomic number of magnesium is 12, atomic number of aluminum is 13, and the electronic configuration is 2, 8, 1. See, this becomes the valence shell electrons. In the outermost shell of sodium atom contains 1 electron. Generally, it should lose this electron and form ion, that is sodium ion. By losing, the atom gets the positive charge, nothing but cation, right? How many electron it is losing? 1 electron, so 1. So the new configuration become 2, 8 with 10 electrons. Now it is a ion, sodium ion, and it is sodium atom. Here sodium atom losing 1 electron and form sodium ion cation. And configuration of magnesium is 2, 8, 2. In their valence shell it has 2 electrons. Usually it should lose and form cation, and Mg 2 plus. Here losing 1 electron, no need to mention 1, but here losing 2 electrons. 2 electrons again with 10. So the new configuration become 2 comma 8. This is magnesium ion, here magnesium atom, and the configuration of aluminum is 2 comma 8 comma 3. In its outermost shell it has 3 electrons. According to this, it should lose the 3 electrons. By losing these 3 electrons, aluminum atom can form ion, cation, with 3 electrons. How many losing? 3 electrons are losing, so it gets the tri-positive ion. This is a tri-positive ion. Yeah, see, sodium atom by losing 1 electron gets the, how many? 1 electron, so gets the unipositive ion. Understand? Unipositive ion. And magnesium atom, by losing the 2 electrons, it form dipositive ion. Di here 2 positive ion by losing. And aluminum atom, by losing 3 electrons, it can form tri-positive ion. So here sodium, magnesium, aluminum, all are metals. Generally they should lose electrons to attain 8 electrons in their valence shell, right? And to get the stability, and in order to form ions. Now let's see the formation of cation. Let's see the formation of cation. Formation of anion. Generally non-metal atoms have 5, 6 or 7 electrons in their outermost shell. Gain electrons to attain 8 electrons in the valence shell. So non-metal atoms, for example, consider here nitrogen and oxygen and fluorine. So you know the atomic number of nitrogen is 7, atomic number of oxygen is 8, atomic number of fluorine is 9, and the configuration is 2 comma 5. So similarly electronic configuration of oxygen 2 comma 6 and fluorine 2 comma 7. Yes, now these are outermost electrons or valence shell electrons, 5, 6 or 7. 5, 6 or 7. These are outermost electrons of sodium, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. See, generally they should gain the electrons to attain 8 electrons in their outer shell. See, nitrogen if gains 3 electrons, how many become? 2 comma 8. So to follow the octet rule, non-metal atoms generally gain the electrons, and by gaining the uh, electrons, non-metal atoms can form anions. So we can write nitrogen. How many electrons it is receiving? 3 electrons. So receiving electrons, right? So it gets the negative charge, right? So the new configuration become 2 comma 8 with 10 electrons. Receiving of electrons. In the same way, oxygen needs 2 more electrons to get 8 electrons in its outer shell. Outer shell. 2 more. So oxygen 2 minus. So if 2 get, then the new configuration become 2 comma 8 with 10 electrons. 10 minus 2, oxygen 8 atom. So these are all atoms. These are ions, anions. And here fluorine needs more 1 electron and can form minus 2 comma 8 is the new electronic configuration. Simply by receiving 3 electrons, nitrogen atom can form 3 in the sense, tri here negative, tri negative, this is what? Ion. Understand? So here 2 receiving, 2 in the sense, di negative ion. How many receiving? 1 electron receiving, so uni negative ion. So in this way atoms can form cations and anions by losing electrons and gaining of electrons. So this is the shortcut way to remember easily, right? I hope you all understand. Thank you very much.